super excited to bring you guys a video showing you guys some high-end eyeshadow dupes. Dupes, with this being said, they are very, very similar. I feel like Shop Hush definitely took a lot of inspiration from the original palettes. This is the consumer options, whether or not they want to spend the full price on the luxurious brand, or they want to kind of spend a little less money and kind of get a dupe for it. I'm not saying that the high-end brands suck or that the quality isn't there or that they're not worth the money, but I want to be able to give you guys an option. So if you guys are interested, then go watch it. The Athena is $12 and the Huda I think is $55 or $65. Let me check. $65. The price difference between these palettes are crazy. Putting some of my Derma Blend powder just to set my under eyes, so if there is fallout, my makeup doesn't get messed up. Any of the extra shadow fallout, if there is any, and make sure you could just easily brush it away rather than it like kind of seep into the foundation and create a big mess. Huda on the right side, and we'll do Athena on the left side. I think that should be the same, but this side is the Huda and this side is the Athena. Eyes are already primed. I use the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot as per always. And we're going to go ahead and start this. I'm not really sure what type of look I want to go for. Palettes, as you can see, don't mind my nails. I like broke this one. But this is Huda. This is Athena. They are rearranged, but they're honestly the same thing. Like the color range, the shadow differences, the texture, they're pretty much the same. It's from the Huda palette, and we're going to go in with Desert Sand, which is this guy right here. It's just a cream tan color. So we're going to go ahead and buff that into the crease. So right on the crease, and just buff it back and forth in windshield wiper motions. You want to make sure when you're buffing the transition color out, you don't want to hold onto the brush too hard because it's going to create a muddy look. When you do it very soft-handed, everything just becomes more seamlessly, and you'll see such a difference with your makeup if you pay attention to the amount of pressure you're applying to the brush. It's going to be the twin of Desert Sand. This is crazy. This one is from Athena, and this is from Huda. A lot more pigmented than I expected for $12. I'm not even gonna lie, it's blending out pretty seamlessly, and it's not giving me too much kickback at all. I honestly think that there might be more kickback in the Huda palette, but maybe a tad bit more color, but the colors are a bit off, like not by anything crazy, maybe like a hair, so maybe that's what's throwing me off, but they really do look the same, as you can see. This one I feel like just needs a little just because the color is a little bit lighter. It's kind of crazy. So now I'm going to be using a brush like the MAC 217 brush. We're going to go ahead and use, I'm guessing I want to stick with purples, but then I don't. We'll do purple. We'll do purple. We're going to be using this guy. I do have to build this color a little bit because I want it to be extremely vibrant and kind of the look, like the focus of the eye look. So we're just going to continue to blend that. I'm really packing on the outer corner and then just swiping inwards. Taking a little bit of my Derma Blend and just really cutting this right there so I get a nice intense sharp smoky eye or whatever I'm going to end up doing. Athena, and we're going to be using Justice. Let's see the difference between these two. Wow, they're like the same. As you can see, it's like a slight difference between the colors, but it's nothing drastic. Like, you can totally fool someone and be like, oh, I have the Huda palette on, but you really don't. I think that the Athena is appearing a little softer than the Huda, but it's still a dupe. Like, it's so close that you can rarely tell. But like, I can tell just because I can just really see the difference between the, a little bit. I could tell with the purple. I'm going with some red. I don't know why. We're going to use red though. I just kind of want to explore all the colors, so I'm going to do as many as I can for you guys. We're going to go into the Huda, use saffron, and then we're going to apply this on the outer corner as well.
They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Don't you know?
Power.
Gold, I fell for.
Holy pigment, that's a beautiful red. Wow. So similar. So this one is Athena and this is Huda. I'm not gonna lie, but so is Huda, so I don't know why in the camera they look totally different. Wow. I'll be right back.
What did I know? You a
A
fool's
little bit of
gold.
blending. They look kind of bad on camera. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm kind of scared. But why? They look so different on camera. They don't really look that different in real life. Is this a fail video? No, I'm just kidding. Cut this crease. As you can see, I cut this crease, and now we're gonna go ahead and cut the other crease, and then I will talk to you in a second. And to me, the most important thing in a palette is the shimmers. So shimmers are very important to me. If the shimmers suck, then the palette sucks in my eyes. I'm sorry. We're gonna do gold. We're just gonna do it. So we're spraying MAC Fix Plus for both sides, Athena and Huda. That's just how I always apply my shimmer. So we're gonna give it a fair chance. Nerfati, I don't know, but it's beautiful. Beautiful. Color is absolutely stunning. Huda palette, where I feel like it's a little bit for more advanced people who want to create a lot of dimension in the eye, like different levels of blending and all that kind of stuff, because you can kind of see how it like kind of is easier to blend in that type of way than the other eye. And apply some falsies and some eyeliner, and I will catch you guys in a minute. They look very similar. Can you tell that I have two eyeshadow palettes on? No, you might just think that I kind of was a little bit off with like applying the amount of colors. I know my wings look a little bit nuts. Ignore them. I wasn't going to get too iffy about them just because I really just want to focus on this. In the NYX Jumbo White Eyeliner.
Don't you know I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools.
And I didn't do anything crazy. I want it to be like that soft purple, like a girly girl vibe. So I'm going to apply some bottom mascara.
What did I know?
Other dupes right now for you guys, and that's the highlight. Since I put a lot of that powder on, most of the highlight worn away, but there is a little bit of a sheen on it, so we're just going to ignore that, and we're going to apply two dupe highlighter. Well, we're going to apply one high-end highlighter, one dupe highlighter. So if you guys are familiar with me, you know I love Moonchild by Anastasia, so this one kind of hits home because I have a very special place in my heart for this palette. Listen, I love all these high-end products. I love Huda Beauty, I love Anastasia, but for people who can't afford the actual palette or just doesn't need it in the collection, but they still like are inspired by it and want to buy it but don't want to spend $600, then I do think dupes are very helpful. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and use Moonchild Glow Kit on one side and then this guy Mermaid Glow Face Candy on the other side. It has a mirror, absolutely nuts. I'm not going to say the mirror is the most luxurious mirror, but this goes for $12, so the fact that it even has a mirror is absolutely crazy. The packaging is super cute. The size is absolutely crazy.
I fell for fools gold. What did I know?
I'm glowing already. So yeah, that says a lot. They do have a lot of pigment. And then of course we have my Holy Grail Moonchild Glow Kit. And this one, as you can see, Holy Grail, like I touched pan on Pink Heart. It was like literally one of my favorite highlighters in the moment. Honestly, as of right now, I'm not into the color highlighters. I never thought I would grow out of that stage, but it's just I'm not really into them anymore. But we're gonna try it out. Craziness with the pink and the blue. Shook that my face looks similar. My point here, these are definitely great alternatives for those who don't want to spend the money on the higher end brand. I want to show you guys more. Yay! Yes, I have some more to share with you guys. I did get some products, but I was not obligated to say anything positive or negative. I kind of just had a freedom of speech while filming the video, and I wanted to film the video to help you guys out, and this is not sponsored, but the products were sent to me. So I just want to let you guys know that. All the dupes to actually show you guys, but I just wanted to show you the dupe for the Rose Gold Huda Beauty palette. I really like this packaging a lot. I really like this palette, the way it looks, the presentation of it. Photo somewhere on the screen to show you guys the Huda Rose Gold palette. And it comes with a mirror. As you can see, like It's not a very like high-end mirror, but like I said, you're paying $12, so can you really complain? Like, Subculture is very, very talked about on the internet. Very, very controversial palette. So I actually liked the palette. I actually liked Subculture. I did think that it was a little bit more tricky to blend and create a look with it, but it still inspired me and I love the colors and I still made it work. But there is a dupe for it. So if you guys are one of those who just really wasn't sure about purchasing it because of the reviews and the mixed signals, then this would be a great option for you. So this is the Retro Love, and I actually have an Instagram tutorial that I'm going to be putting at the end of this video just to give you guys another idea of one of the palettes. I really like the look that I created with this palette. It's called Retro Love and it looks like my good old friend Subculture. Very, very similar. And yeah, so you can tell already that this is definitely more higher end packaging, like with the soft touch and just the way that this looks kind of plastic. The price difference, this is $42 and this is, it's $10. So you really cannot compare the packaging because you're paying for what you get. The Unicorn Glow. I just did, guys. I just dug my fingernail. I know you guys done that. But this is the Unicorn Glow. So let's swatch this. Ooh. Wow. Are you ready for this? What in the world? Holy pigment color. And we're just gonna swatch this right next to. So wow. Very similar. Wow. They are really cute. They are like sister palettes. They go for $20 for both. They both have mirrors and they both are so pretty. Like for $20, like damn. Let's see. So this is Sahara. This reminds me of a color in the Huda palette. Gorgeous. Oasis. Gorgeous. Wow. So as you can see, the pigmentation is totally there. It's totally there. This palette really does just inspire me a lot. Amazonian. This is the color I'm actually thinking about. That palette really speaks to me, but so does this one. So does this one. I don't know why this reminds me of the Kylie Jenner palette from like her Christmas. Maybe that's, maybe, but it definitely reminds me of, maybe that's what it is. Like, oh, grayish shimmer. Oh, I kind of want to do a look with those two colors. Swatches everywhere. Ah, life of a makeup artist. That concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope you guys obtained some information that will help you guys when you're deciding if you want the dupe or the high end. Like I said, I don't think that the dupes are better, but for the price, you really can't beat it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so nice hanging out with you guys, and thank you so much for supporting my passion, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.